how to rate and review a restaurant in the Uber Eats app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rate and review a restaurant using the Uber Eats app. Whether your meal was amazing or you had an issue, your feedback helps order and the restaurant. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, or you can simply tap on the orders icon too. And now here on the orders icon, you'll see the list of all your recent deliveries. So choose the order that you want to rate and review. And after that, just look for the option that says like rate order or rate restaurants. So tap it to start giving your feedback. Now choose how many stars that you would like to give. 5 being the best, and if you want to leave a written review about the food, packaging and delivery, when you're done you can just tap on submit, and after that your review will be sent. And that's it. That's how you can rate and review a restaurant in the Uber Eats app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.